Hi everyone, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I want to share with you this simple and delicious Ghana party chase with you all. So as part of my birthday celebration, I prepared this party chase for 20 guests, and trust me, they were in love with this recipe, and I know for sure that you are definitely going to love this recipe. So let's get started. So to a bowl, I'll add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can as well use plain flour if you want. I will also go in with salt to taste. The salt is always to your taste. To that, I'll add in my butter. I'm using salted butter. You can also go in with unsalted butter if you want. And I'll also add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Next, I'll go in with some blended onions and some garlic. Add some water to it, mix very well until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely, just as you've seen on your screens right now. Remember not to add in too much water because at the end you are not going to achieve this consistency, okay? So the water you add to this dough really matters right here. So I'll allow the dough to rest for about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes of resting the dough, I'll begin by rolling out the dough very well. So with this party chips, I really wanted the chips to be very crunchy. So if you want your party chips to come out very crunchy, then you need to roll out the dough very well to get a very thin size, okay? And it also helps the chips to keep long for about more than a month without going bad. So I made this party chips in 2 different sizes or shapes, which the first one I'm doing right here is the normal ones or the popular ones we always see at parties or on the street. Okay, so I have the full detail recipe on how I made the street party cheese or the famous Ghanaian party cheese, which is the one I am doing right now. So I will leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. And mind you, in this recipe, I use only 3 cups, and as I said, I'm making party cheese for 20 people. So in all, I use about 6 cups of all-purpose flour. So kindly check the description box for full measurement or quantity of ingredients. So let's move on to the second party cheese that I made for my guests. Alright, so for the second method, I'm going to roll out the dough very nicely, just the way I did to the first one. After getting the thin size that I want, I'm going to split it just the way you're seeing it on your screen right now. Just play with your dough and the outcome is going to be so lovely. Okay, so now let's heat up some oil and let's place some of the dough inside and let's see how it turned out. So to my heated oil, I'm going to split some of the dough inside. Make sure the oil is not very hot, because as soon as the oil gets hot and you drop it in, it's going to fry easily and we don't want that, okay? With this party chips, we don't fry till the color becomes golden brown. We only fry until it is halfway golden, because when it gets brown or golden brown, you wouldn't love the taste and we don't want that, okay? After all this hard labor, we want to really enjoy the fruits of our labor. So let's fry until we achieve the perfect color and also turns out very crunchy. Alright, so after extra 5 more minutes, the chips is all ready now. It's looking all crunchy and I'm just loving the color. And one more thing, the more this cools down, the more it gets brown or golden brown. So that's why it's advisable not to make the chips golden brown in the oil before you remove it, because the color is really going to pop up after frying it or when it cools down. Okay, so now let's repeat the process until everything is nice and ready. And so to my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so our second batch is also ready, so I will go in with this famous street party chips that we all know. So I'll fry this until everything turns into the perfect color that we want to achieve, just like this. This is looking so beautiful and I love the outcome. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this party chips recipe. It came out so good and I hope you're going to try. If you haven't liked this video yet, babe, what are you waiting for? Kindly give me a thumbs up and kindly do share and comment down below. All right, thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.